Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make viral text on your video by using CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. After that, choose the video and add it. Then add a text on it. Here you guys can choose the fonts. Then add effects on your text. I'm going to choose this one. And then put animation on it. Here you guys will find out animation for in, for out, and also for loop. I'm going to add animation on the ending of this text and also a loop. And then let's add keyframes on it. After adding keyframes, you guys can see the differences. And now let's add another text on it. For this text I'm going to use styles in different way. I'm going to choose glow and also shadows, stroke and also curves on it. Then let's add animations on it. I'm going to add animation for the intro only. Now let's add another text here, and now I'm going to choose different fonts for it. You guys can also customize the opacity and also the size from here. I'm going to choose this color on it and also going to put glow on it. And here let's put stroke, and I'm going to put this on 33. And here let's add shadow. Now you guys can also customize the spacing between the words, and also you guys can add case like this. Now let's add animations on it, and here you guys can see the differences. Now let's watch the full video. So this is how you guys can add viral text on your video by using CapCut mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day for videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.